Here we have our M837VL Chloe purse. Measure to find where the inside snap is located to avoid hitting it with the needle. Your monogram will go here, center on the front flap. Add 1 piece of solvay. Slide the front flap into a 4.5 by 4.5 slim line clamp frame. Place the purse seam to the side edges of the frame. Trace the sewing area to ensure monogram fits inside of the frame. Use our custom centering jigs to find the center. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesale-boutique.com. Our medium weight tearaway backing adds stability, tears away easily, and leaves a clean finish. When the sew is complete, you can remove the item from the machine. Now you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.